Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when calendar app is missing in Microsoft Teams. So on the left hand side, if you don't see calendar app, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to go ahead and pin Microsoft Teams. Now sometimes you actually by mistake unpin it and then you forgot to pin. So click on this three dot and over here you will find calendar app, and then make a right click, then click on pin. Now once you pin it, you should be able to see calendar app. Now in case if you don't find the calendar app over here and if you're unable to pin it, then please follow the next step. The next step is to add calendar using Microsoft Teams Admin Center. So for this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. Now go ahead and log in. So enter your Microsoft Teams email and password if you see the login option. And once you're logged in, go to users and then select your account over here. And once you select the account, click on view policy over here. Scroll down. Now over here you can see app setup policy. So click on global org wide default. Scroll down once again. If you see this error message, just refresh the page once again. Now scroll down. Now if you find calendar over here, that means it's been added to your Microsoft Teams. Now in case if you don't find calendar over here, then click on add apps. Now over here in the search, you can go ahead and type in calendar and then select calendar, then click on add and then click on add once again. Now once you add the calendar, over here you can see calendar in the list. Now you can go ahead and click on save, and over here you can see success item was updated. Now you can go ahead and close team. So if the team is open, go ahead and close it. Make a right click on the team and then click on quit. Now you can go ahead and type in Teams and then open Teams once again. Now once the team is up and running, you should be able to see the calendar app over here. Now even after restarting Teams, if you don't see the calendar app over here, in that case you can go ahead and log out and log in once again. So on the top here you can see a profile icon. Click on it, then click on sign out. Once you click on sign out, sign in once again with the Microsoft Teams account, and then you can go ahead and check calendar. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case you can go ahead and run these commands in PowerShell. So for this, copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. So make a right click, copy the command, type in PowerShell in Windows search box, and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell and then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow and paste the command over here. Paste the first command, hit the enter key. And then run the second command. Paste it over here, hit the enter key. In my case, I am receiving the error message. Just ignore the error message if you are receiving, and then go ahead and restart Microsoft Teams and check if you find the calendar app over there or not. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.